Setting up payment methods on Facebook is a straightforward process, but ensuring security along the way is just as crucial. To get started, open the Facebook app and tap the three horizontal lines in the bottom right corner. From there, navigate to the Settings and Privacy section and select Orders and Payments. This is where all your payment-related settings are housed. To add a new payment method, tap on Payment Methods, then select Add Payment Method. A pop-up will appear, giving you the option to either link a credit or debit card or connect your PayPal account. Simply choose your preferred method and enter the required details as prompted. Once you've done that, your payment method will be saved and ready for use across Facebook's various services. Now, let's take a step back to enhance security. If you return to the previous menu, you'll see a section labeled Security and Controls. Tap on it, and you'll find an essential option to secure your transactions, activating Use PIN. Enabling this will prompt you to create a PIN that will be required for any future payments. However, for an even more secure approach, consider enabling biometric authentication such as Touch ID or Face ID. This ensures that only you can authorize transactions, adding an extra layer of protection. With these steps completed, your Facebook payment setup is not only functional but also secure, giving you peace of mind while making transactions on the platform. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more similar tips, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update from us. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.